Changes are coming on Facebook on this August 2025. These changes is for everybody. If you're a content creator, you're a business owner, these changes could change everything for you. So I'm about to share with you the changes that is going to take place this month, 31st August. So if you're a content creator, you're a business owner, stick around because the last one is the most important, and this is for everybody who is using Facebook app. So let's dive into the video. Changes number one is monetization. Facebook is removing old monetization program, that is in-stream ads or ads on real and what they call it bonuses. Meta is replacing it with one monetization tool, which is content monetization. This monetization program is for everybody. So if this means that everybody this means you are going to get paid in one place. So if you're a content creator, you are going to get paid in one place, and more creators, even smaller pages, smaller creators can start earning money very fast. So if you're a small content creator, stop pushing harder. Changes number two is what? Shop. If you're a business owner, you are a seller, you can now what? Shortlist all your products, shortlist them, and buyers can now purchase your products through your website. Now you can actually what? Put your own payment method, payouts, and also you can actually get actually what? Get traffic from your shop or from your store. So it is up to you now to go and do the necessary things, shortlist all your products, and buyers can now purchase your products directly from your website. Changes number three is content through. So if you are producing or repurposing other people's contents, you are posting other people's contents, hey, stop it, because Meta is cracking down on original content. If we are reposting other people's contents, watch out. Meta is cracking down hard. Anybody that's carrying other people's contents, hey, you could lose your content monetization. You can lose your monetization. So do not post other people's contents. This video is taking longer than I expected though. So go now and mark your calendar. On the 31st August is the day that Facebook changed the game. So subscribe to my YouTube channel for those kind of tips and updates, and also for easy tips to grow on any social media, because that is what I share here, and to focus and to stay monetized. I do not want you to lose your monetization program or monetization tools. And if you have not given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Give this video a thumbs up that others can actually watch and benefit, because this change is going to change everything for creators and business owner. And still remember, lesson and I share content tips. Share this to your friends. Blessing has spoken. Scroll wisely. Bye.